So the boxes made it here from Denmark, and they actually beat me. And I'm super stoked that they made it, and I'm really excited to build this cargo bike. So I'm gonna unbox these 2 boxes, the frame and the wheels and stuff, and then start putting it together and see how it goes. And again, just super thankful that it made it, and thankful that we had a good trip and a safe trip. So let's see how it goes back together. Okay, so we finished assembling the cargo bike, and it came out really good. We're missing some brake hardware on the left side of the front, but it's still working with the remaining brakes, and just really happy with the way it came out. It's super fun to ride. It's a lot more nimble than I would have thought, and like pretty easy to steer, and the shifting works really well, and like pretty easy to get going. And we both tried riding in the basket, and that was like pretty fun. Just really thankful that we got to do that class, and I definitely want to thank Charlotte for your help, like shipping the bike and like making that work and doing the class. And want to thank M55 for hosting us, and XYZ Cargo Bike M55 for hosting us. It was really fun, and really glad that I got to build this bike, and can't wait to start using it for cargo around Seattle. So see you for the next Tomcat video.
Give it a ride.